Mio and Mao, your beloved kitties, have found 5 new feathery friends today. Care to join their adventures? Marvel at the pelican's big beak. How much can fit in there? Next, meet a delightful yet clumsy kingfisher. Isn't he adorable? Can Mio and Mao lend him a helping paw? Don't miss the dancing ostrich, truly a spectacle on 2 legs. And before the sun sets, let the vibrant colors of the peacock dazzle your eyes. One last laugh with the owl. He does seem to have woken up to tell jokes. Check the link in the description for the full video. And don't forget to subscribe.